111.
Habaya day bat ka benami ak lani ka an banyada na ka jingrong kertlep na ka jing yomon jong kibar jela ban tidjaka ni longtrai ya kane ka jela mekalaya habaya day bat kane ka VPP kala kylli lada ka sorkar kala sena kirol ne ka komiti ban pej biniha ya kane na kaliang UCM ulaong ba ladep draft ki kendon halor kane kamat bat haba kli susu Lano kane kan pyntreikam UCM ula jubab bah ia mentadang eksamen bat kiwe ki department suap penterlon syakmat.
Sir, may I know whether the government has constituted committee or authority in each district as mandated by this act, sir?
So the rules are being framed now, and once these rules are framed as per the amended act of 2018, so the rules are being framed, and once these rules are framed, then the committees will be set up, sir.
So may I know, sir, when do we expect that the rules will come out?
So the rules are in fact already ready, so only final consultation with different departments, as always is done, is being pursued. Very shortly, sir, the rules will be out, sir.
Please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I just want to know from the Honorable Chief Minister, is there any department to look after this Bedemi Transaction Act, sir?
So it's not, in this entire thing, sir, anytime that there is an issue or any person has complaints, sir, they are complaining to the magistrate and the first class magistrate or the SP in the particular district, sir.
This is Salim.
Yeah, Mr. Speaker, sir, this Benami also might, if we do it seriously, then it might curtail some influx from the outside also. Now what we have seen is that most of our tribals' name is being taken by those outsiders to do business here in Meghalaya. Last time, what we have seen is that when District Council, KHDC, they went to round up with the professional tax, with all those non-tribals, you know, from the back, our tribal people started jumping to save all those non-tribals who are doing in the names. So if those can be taken seriously, this is one of the area where we can check the influx. So I would like to request, whenever we are making the regulations, rules, kindly look into this matter seriously. If this act can be placed seriously, then some of the influx can be checked.
So point noted, sir.